Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring a safe rollback. Back up now so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Settings and go to General, then VPN and Device Management to locate and remove the iOS beta profile. This stops future beta updates. Make sure your iPhone 26 is charged at least 50% and on a stable Wi-Fi network so downloads and restores won't fail. You do this first to prevent data loss and to prepare the device to receive the public release software. Once you remove the beta profile, restart the iPhone to clear caches and let the system register the change. Next, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to check for the latest public iOS. Choose Update or Restore as instructed. Update attempts to keep data. Restore reinstalls a clean public release. If the device stays on beta builds, place it into recovery mode and let Finder/iTunes reinstall the public firmware. This step forces the phone off the beta channel and back to the official release. You finish by setting up the iPhone 26 and restoring your backup so apps and data return. Make sure to recheck Settings General about to confirm the public version. If the phone won't exit beta or shows errors, try recovery mode again. If that fails, use DFU mode to flash firmware at a lower level. Finally, if activation errors or unknown hardware issues appear, contact Apple support. They can verify device status and provide next steps to complete the removal safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.